In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, let's play the audio clip to hear the background noise. This is a sample voiceover recording for DaVinci Resolve on how to remove background noise. Now to remove this noise, we need to head over to the LearnLite tab. Next, double click on Dynamics for the audio track. Since my audio is on channel 1, I'll make sure that Dynamics is turned on and then I'll enable the expander. Then adjust the settings in this window. First, let's start with range, the middle knob, turn it all the way up. Now it's time for the ratio, which is right knob, keep it around halfway or little above. Finally, go to threshold, the left knob. This depends on how much noise your audio has, so place it near the middle and fine tune while listening. This is a sample voiceover recording for DaVinci Resolve on how to remove background noise. When adjusting, make sure most of the yellow dots on the meter stay inside the right side of the blue line. That's how you'll know the noise reduction is working correctly. Let's compare it now. So this was the before clip. This is a sample voiceover recording for DaVinci Resolve on how to remove background noise. And now this is after Dynamics on. This is a sample voiceover recording for DaVinci Resolve on how to remove background noise. And that's it. You have successfully reduced background noise using the expander in DaVinci Resolve. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.